Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am pretty late getting out here in the garden. I think it's almost 7 o'clock. So I'm just gonna do what I can. There's a few things that I can just go ahead and get done before tomorrow. It has been raining all week long, so the ground is not dried out. I will show you. You can see water all on the tarp. You can see where water has settled all right here. So I'm just gonna do what I can. There are a few things that I know I can get done which will help me and just put me ahead. So there's probably not much that I can do. Oh look, I haven't showed y'all this yet. My pole beans are coming up. Let me show you. So we planted these Sunday. I always think that it's so cute whenever they come up like this because it looks like a little tiny forest. Monday, Steven and my dad, we cleaned out all the grass in the butternut squash, and we put the grass right here to kind of dry out. So I'm gonna put that into the woods, and then I would like to clean out this grassy area and try to plant something along this fence. I'm trying to be patient with planting things, but I'm just so ready for a fall garden and I'm so excited. So I'm just doing what I can. It's probably 7 o'clock by now, so let's get to it. I finally got some real gloves instead of plastic kitchen gloves. I'm doing this because there are spiders everywhere. Yay, so I finally have gloves. All right, so the collards that I planted on my last video, they're not looking too good. I don't know if it's because of all the rain or maybe my transplants weren't strong enough. So if you're planting collards, can you let me know what you're doing? Because I've never done collards before. It's kind of discouraging to see it like this. I do have some cucumbers that are starting to pop out of the ground, but I really wanted a lot of collards, so let's just see what we can keep doing. So there's a tiny cucumber. This looks like a big mama bean. I'm gonna wait for that because big mama beans were not planted here, but I'm gonna wait and see what that is. And then we've got another cucumber coming up right there and right there. All right, y'all. Well, 40 minutes is better than nothing. I was able to clean out the rows in between the corn. I was able to till that section that just had a lot of grass growing. It's better to just get that done now. There's an owl. I love that sound. And it's getting dark now. So I'm gonna leave it at that. It's time to go in, eat some dinner, and get ready for tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye. Also, if you like these videos, like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, and leave a comment if you have a garden and you're around Mobile, Alabama. That's where I'm at. If you're around here and you have a garden, let me know what you're growing. Bye.